Hi guys! So today is a slightly different video to usual, and I didn't even really do videos where I'm like speaking, but today's slightly different because I'm going fabric shopping. And I thought, you know what, how about I do something different and actually record it. I've never recorded myself fabric shopping, so I thought today would be the first. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Liverpool Street, and the thing I love about Liverpool Street is that I never leave empty-handed. Like, there's so many shops. I'm basically looking for African print, so I just feel like there's so many shops and I never find myself leaving empty-handed. Sometimes it's actually quicker to get the tube places. Like, if I drive, it'd probably take me like 45 minutes, 50 minutes maybe. Whereas if I get the tube, it would take me exactly half an hour. So I'm trying to decide. Yeah, I'll decide and see. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So in Liverpool Street now, about to get fabrics. Decided to get the tube. Wasn't that bad. Yeah, decided to get the tube, but yeah, in Liverpool Street now and about to head to the fabric shop. Liverpool Street and got some really good fabrics. I'm so happy with them. So I found this store, I can't remember what it was called. I'm really bad at looking at names of shops, but they were doing 7 all Ankara prints. They had them all on the table and they were all £7. This is one of the ones that I got. Like, look how nice it is. Like, the print, I love the print. And then this is another one. So it's like a red, like, it's really fiery. I love the print. All £7. Can you imagine? Like, look at that. So nice. And then this is the last one. And this was another one, £7. So I got 3 fabrics. 3 fabrics for £7. Amazing, amazing. And I'm looking forward to the project that I'm gonna be working on and seeing how that all works out. My homeware collection is now available on Etsy. I'll put the link in the bio and you can check it out there. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.